what's up guys, welcome to another Tech Wednesday, and to all newcomers, welcome to my channel. So today I'm gonna announce the winner of giveaway from 2 weeks ago. As I mentioned back in time, winner will get Bullets version 2 earphones from Oneplus. Now let's see who is the lucky winner. Okay, so I'm gonna use my phone to record the screen. Just a second. There we go. And to pick the lucky winner. First we need to take comment link, then we go into comment picker, paste the link, search for it, and as number 3, pick random winner. And the lucky winner is... Congratulations to Linux1337. So once again, congratulations, and don't forget to DM me in 24 hours. Otherwise, I will have to pick another winner. Okay guys, this was just a quick update, and until the next time, stay in love. Peace!